that look at, you can also bend the knuckles, and that's important, y'all. What is going on, everyone? Welcome to the Thai Life. My name is Min, and today I want to walk you through this fake mannequin hand that I got a couple weeks ago. I got it. I was so excited. I opened up at the salon going live on YouTube, but after that I've been so busy I really never had a chance to really dig deep into this mannequin. And I know there's a lot of nail tech out there, beginners, veterans. Y'all might need a mannequin just to do some practice. Y'all might need some mannequins just to pretend like y'all working on a client, do some role play. So I want to tell y'all if this is going to be worth buying or not, man, because you know what? This is my first time getting a mannequin. Like throughout my career, I just practice on people's hand or on my own hand, but I never buy a mannequin before, yo. So you know what? Let's get this real quick and check out this mannequin. So this mannequin right here, right? So I was able to mount this mannequin like right on the edge of this desk I got right here. So that's pretty convenient because I was trying to put it in a good position, like in that corner, and you know what? That's what I like about it, is you can move this, put this anywhere around your station, so that will work. And what I like about this is, you see how it just go up and down very easily? So it's almost like the client's arm, yo. That's important, man. That's important because you want to make sure it's like real. You know what I mean? That's what I'm trying to say. You want to make sure it's real. Okay? So on the top of that, you can turn this way or that way. Look at that. So if you're working on the thumb, you can turn it over here. You want to work on that finger. So what's nice about this too is that, look at, you can also bend the knuckles. And that's important, y'all. Like, because now it's like, it's so real. It's almost like the client's finger is on your hand. So that's a good practice. I like what they did with this, the hand. And I like what they did with the knuckles. But now, these right here, it looks like they're fingernails, right? And I assume that you will apply the tips like right here. But what's nice about it is that it's interchangeable. You can just flick it and it comes off. And when I open up the box, it came with this clear tips. It came with this white tips and these brown tips. So check this out though. So what I'm assuming is that these tips right here is where you can just place it on and practice the acrylic on here. Okay? That's pretty good. That's convenient. But what I also want to know is am I able to apply a tips onto this to make it longer? Let's say if I'm practicing a long nail design, right? So more likely I would assume we can do that, because let me check it out real quick, y'all. Hold up. Let me check it out real quick. We're gonna go in right here. We're gonna pull this out. I brought some of these tips home so I can do this tutorial for y'all. You know what I mean? So we're gonna pop this open real quick. As y'all can see, I'm holding the camera at the same time while I'm doing this. But I just want to show y'all what this hand is all about so that y'all know it's worth buying or not. So let's say if you want to apply tips, this will fit the tips. That's perfect. You want to do straight tip, that's on you. You know what I mean? But you can apply tips right here, okay? That's really awesome right there, y'all. You see that? So what's nice about this is that once you put the acrylic on, you can file this in and you can just replace it. And I'm sure you can also buy this once you run out. They actually sell them. But I'll go ahead and locate this in the description if you guys are interested in getting this arm. You know what I mean? There is a link down there. Just click on it and then it should take you to the product. So yeah, so I think it's pretty good. What do y'all think? Leave it in the comment. If y'all actually have used this before, let me know how it is. But so far, I like it. I mean, I don't see anything wrong with it. I like the fact that you can turn it any direction you like. So yeah, not bad, you know. And what's nice about this too is if you guys are doing like manicure, you guys can actually practice some pressure point on the hand for the massage, you know. And I think this hand is also good if you guys are doing some kind of like, you know, role play, like pretend this is a client, and if you want to do a good consultation, you can do some pretend play with this plastic arm right here, y'all. I don't think this is bad at all. You know, I can't wait to try it. You know, this is exciting because now I can really show y'all how to shape a certain shape and really how to really hold the client's hand when you shape. That's important, you know what I mean? How you hold the client's hand is important. And if this little gadget right here can actually give you that roll, look at that. I'm just moving this thing left to right, up and down. Come on, y'all. I don't think this is a bad idea at all. The reason why I didn't get the silicone is because the silicone, if I get glue stuck on there, it's going to get all sticky and all like dirty and all that. Plastic, you can just wash it off, y'all. That's why I decided to get this, because it's the same price, the silicone and this is almost the same price. It's probably $10 difference, but you know what? It looks good to me. I can't wait to use it. And on top of that, look at these knuckles, yo. So yeah, man, if you guys find this useful, or you guys think this gonna work, or you guys have any feedback that you guys have seen, leave it in the comment. If not, yo, you know what to do, man. Subscribe to the channel, man, and I'll see you for more tutorial about nails. Check me out going live when I'm at work with the clients, one-on-one, start to finish, y'all. I see y'all on the next video, man. Much love. Stay up.